The pistol squat is a challenging single-leg squat that requires strength, balance, mobility, and coordination. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to perform it properly. 1. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. 2. Shift your weight onto one leg, e.g. your left leg. 3. Extend your opposite leg, right leg, straight in front of you. 4. Extend your arms forward for balance. 5. Brace your core, keep your chest up, and look straight ahead. Lowering phase. 1. Slowly bend your standing leg, left, and begin lowering your hips. 2. Keep your right leg lifted off the ground, extended straight out in front. Align lower as far as you can, ideally until your hip is below the knee. 4. Keep your heel on the ground and your back straight. Lifting phase. 1. Drive through your heel and press upward with control. 2. Keep your non-working leg lifted and straight throughout. B. Return to the standing position. Tips for better performance. Warm up your ankles, hips, and hamstrings. Start with assisted versions if you're new to pistol squats. Avoid letting your knee cave in. Track it over your toes. Stay controlled and slow. Don't drop or bounce at the bottom. Progressions, assisted pistol squats. 1. Box bench pistol squat. Sit back onto a box and stand up using one leg. 2. TRX assisted pistol squat. Hold TRX straps or rings for balance support. Through your counterbalance, pistol squat. Hold a light weight, e.g. a plate or dumbbell, in front of you to improve balance. Negative pistol squat. Lower slowly on one leg. Use both legs to stand back up. Muscles worked. Quadriceps. Glutes. Hamstrings. Calves. Core stabilizers. Please check my next video.